Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you the most important place. If you are a woman, you are going to love it. You are going to see the unimaginable jewelry in this video, so get ready for that. So the location in this video is Gold Souk, Dubai, which is famous for its world famous gold, the purity of the gold, and the prices are better than India. What do you want more? Visit Dubai, get your gold in the cheaper rates, but then you have to bear the cost of traveling, and also you have to cope up with the higher prices of each and everything. But gold love is for the gold lovers. सो अब आप देख रहे हो सराउंडिंग लोकेशंस ऑफ गोल्ड सूक मार्केट. यहाँ पे केसर की बहुत ही प्यारे प्यारे आउटलेट्स हैं. यू गेट द ओरिजिनल केसर ऑल्सो, ऑल दी मसालास एंड स्टफ, ड्राई फ्रूट्स ऑल्सो. This is at the entrance of this market, so you can take a look there. If you like to buy something, you can get it there.
बाकी सब मकान है. आपका ध्यान किधर? शाहरुख खान का दुकान इधर.
क्या बात है. So right here you see the heaviest ring in the world, which also has the Guinness World Record. You see the certificate in the video? Yeah, that's true. So very first shop when you get to enter in this market from the Al Seef side, you find this place, and this is amazing. You are going to get lot many surprises. Let's just walk into this video. So someone rightly mentioned, close your eyes now. Come to Dubai just for one night. See this gold jewelry. Have you seen it somewhere else? It's amazing. See, all of this jewelry is looking like as if no one is going to buy. I don't know. This is dreamy for me. See the gold jacket, man. Who's going to buy it? I'm just thinking. It's crazy stuff here. Oh my god. Look at this. It's looking like a kurta, a jacket, a top. That's amazing, unbelievable. And everything made of gold. You want to know the gold prices? They do change on a day-to-day basis. So they have the purest gold in the world, and that too, that's tax-free. So there is a slide ahead on the gold prices. Just take a look. So finally मैंने भी यहाँ पे एक गोल्ड का क्राउन और एक जो ये हार मैंने पहन रखा है. I bought it, you know. I've got a lot of money. I've got a good comic sense, which you just experienced. So ये है gold prices, 24 karat, and that's quite reasonable here in Dubai, better than India prices. Center. diamonds. Inside they have gold also. Jewelry destination of the world. Jewelry and jewelry. All about jewelry. It's Sunday today, so बहुत सारी destinations बंद हैं, मतलब बहुत सारे shops outlets बंद हैं, लेकिन ये सारे गोल्ड के हैं. सामने है हमारा मालाबार, मशरूम, रेवा, रियाद. Navarang is open here. So now, after seeing this much of gold, let's just take a break, and I'm going to finally have my favorites at Bikaner Wala. Yes, you heard it right, Bikaner Wala at the heart of Gold Souk. And they have all the authentic food available: kachori, pyaj kachori, samosa, cold coffee, and we loved it. It's finally time to say bye until I see this place next time. So now you are going to see some of the Dubai roads. Just enjoy and like, subscribe and share my video.